Sand and Me by Patricia Hubbell. Pack up our beach bags. Load up the car. We're going to the beach. And here we are. Flippy floppy sun hat. Wiggly waggly toes. Mommy rubbing lotion on my nose, nose, nose. Pail and shovel, dig, dig, dig. Jump in, Dolly. Jump in, pig. Beach day, beach day. Sun, sand, sea. Gulls squawk, squawking. Talking just to me. Somebody is coming. Spoon in his hand. We make a giant castle in the scritchy, scratchy sand. Seashell toenails, seaweed hair. Lifeguard laughing in his great tall chair. Sand in our belly buttons, sand in our pants. We jump in the water and dance, dance, dance. We jump, jump, jump in the curly, whirly wave. Cold water doesn't scare us, 'cause we're brave, brave, brave. Beach day, sea, sand, wee. My friend and I are splashing in the swishy, swashy sea. Lunchtime, lunchtime. Cookies, lemonade. We flop on our blankets in the shade, shade, shade. We climb on the rocks, see a starfish on a stone, a little minnow swimming, and a big fish bone. We bounce our beach ball, put shells in our pails, wave at a boat with big red sails. Shadows on the sand now, sun hanging low. We pack up our beach bags, home we go. Beach day, wish we could stay. Hope I see my friend on the next beach day.